How to add Roblox to GeForce Experience. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To check out on to add your Roblox to a GeForce Experience, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you need to tap open your file explorer in your PC. Then navigate to this PC and locate your Roblox installer file. You have to copy the installer file of your Roblox. Once you have successfully copied, moving on to the next step, tap open a browser and install the GeForce drivers if you have not installed it yet. In here, we actually have to paste the installer file. Once the GeForce Experience is downloaded, you will see an interface like this. In the scan location, tap on the Add button and add the Roblox installer file. After which, at the top you will see a setting button. You need to tap on the setting, then click on Scan for apps. This should most likely scan your Roblox file and it must be added into your GeForce Experience. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.